everyone, welcome to the series of Let Me Explain C program series, where I will be explaining a program number 1, that is program using input-output statement and expressions for sum of odd and even numbers. So according to this program algorithm, we will set a number and we will find out the sum of even numbers and odd numbers with the expression using input-output statements. For a change, let's use the output for guessing a program. Consider this output where upper bound number that we set to compute the expression. See, as if the upper bound is 10, the program scans for the number up to 10. And sum odd is a sum of odd numbers in between 1 and 10. The same way, sum even is a sum of even numbers in between 1 to 10. Abs difference is the absolute difference in between the sum even and the sum odd. Okay, I will explain why we got negative number over here by executing this program. Hash include stdio.h is a standard input-output statement that we use for giving a prompt, also scanning the number. I will tell you later how it works. Int main is a main function from where the main program will be starting. After that, we will declare the variables by using integer function that we will initiate the sum of odd numbers is equal to 0, meaning sum of the odd numbers is initiated to 0 at the beginning. Also, we will initiate sum of even numbers is equal to 0 the same way. And int upper bound is a number limit that we will give a prompt to the system. Int abs difference is a difference between the sum of the odd numbers and the even numbers. And also we will initiate the number value, that is 1 at the beginning. As we have seen already, we have given number from 1 to 10, that is the initial value of a number. Okay, then now we will type a printf statement to give a prompt to this program, that is enter the upper bound limit. This is how we have got the statement enter the upper bound over the output window. And scanf statement, we will use it to scan the number that we have given along with the prompt in an output window, and that is 10. And here the twist is we are using while if statement while number is less or equal to upper bound, that is equal to upper bound number, and if the number is divided by 2 is equal to 0, that is remainder is 0, then the given number is even, that is sum even is equal to the number we have given, or else the given number is odd number. Once the number is scanned for even or odd number, later it will be incremented by +1 for the next scanning process. Don't worry, you will get to know this in detail. If sum of odd number is greater than sum of even number, then absolute different value is equal to sum of odd number minus sum of even number. That is, if 25 is greater than 30, then absolute different value will be 25 minus 30. 25 being greater than 30 is not possible. If it's not executed, else the absolute difference value is equal to sum of even number minus sum of odd numbers. That is 30 greater than 25. That is 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. That is possible. To make a cross check in output window, the absolute difference value is also 5. So printf statement, the sum of an odd number is sum odd number itself, and the printf statement, the sum of even number is sum even number, and the absolute different value is abs diff itself. So return statement, close the bracket and execute. We have encountered this error just because we have declared some odd number with a capital O, and also we have declared abs difference with a capital D. We have changed it and executed successfully without the error. Now if we enter the upper bound 10, then we can find the same value over here, where the prompt given with the printf statement is displayed in output window as the sum of an odd number is 25 and sum of the even number is 30, and also absolute different value is 5. The value is scanned by the system itself, and return 0 statement is given to exit the output window, where it helps to exit the prompt window without any values. If we give another number, say as 1000, it will give a sum of odd number as 25,000 and sum of even number is 25,500. Also absolute difference as 500. The same we can compute with the Excel also. If we give 1000 numbers and wanted to know the sum of even numbers and sum of the odd number with given functions, we have also got the same values in Excel also, say as 25,000 and 25,500. Also We have found the absolute different value by finding difference between sum of even numbers and sum of odd numbers, that is equal to 500. Hoping that you have understood the program. If you have encountered other errors, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video of a Let Me Explain C program series with another program, that is program number 2. Take care until then. See you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.